The reason that we are starting this series, Automation for the Now, is because there's so much out there that's new, and the demands that our manufacturers are under, consumer demands specifically, to be competitive, to be able to get product out the door on time in a cost-effective way that allows them to be profitable and sustain, you have to automate. So what I believe is going to happen, there's a lot of followers out there and people on LinkedIn and other social media platforms that have questions. They want to get a quick answer. It's difficult to find them. There's lots of opinions out there. And so what we thought we'd do is we create this show, Automation for the Now, where we allow customers, partners, people, vendors out there that have questions, submit those to RōBEX. And what we'll do is we'll go through those questions. We'll pick a handful for every episode, and we'll bring subject matter experts into the show. And we will answer these questions live.